Most people think they're broke because their income is too small. But the real reason is something they can't see. Something invisible. A silent leak in their finances that drains their money before they ever notice it's gone. And almost everybody has it. Even high earners. Today, I'm showing you the money leak silently ruining your finances, and how to seal it once and for all. The silent leak is called financial drift. Financial drift is what happens when your money moves without direction. You're not overspending dramatically, you're not making reckless decisions, but you're also not doing anything deliberately. And in that small gap between intention and action, your money quietly disappears. It's the subscription you forgot about, the small snack you buy daily but never track, the bank charges you only notice once a year, the impulse purchases you tell yourself you'll balance out later. Each one looks tiny, but together they wipe out your financial progress. Financial drift is dangerous for one reason. It feels harmless. It doesn't feel like overspending. It doesn't feel like a mistake. It feels like nothing. And that's why it destroys people quietly. People don't get into debt because of one big purchase. They get there through 1,000 tiny, unplanned decisions. Financial drift makes you believe your money is just fine. Until suddenly, it isn't. You have financial drift if you earn more, but nothing changes. You can't explain where your money went. You feel busy, stressed, distracted, so you let small things slide. You plan to save or invest later, but later never comes. You check your account and feel surprised every single month. Financial drift is not a spending problem. It's a direction problem. Money without direction always disappears. Here's how to eliminate financial drift permanently. It's called the 3-bottle system. Simple, clean, extremely effective. Bottle 1. The growth bottle. This gets your first money, before bills, before expenses, before anything. This is where you put investments, emergency fund, future goals. Direct this bottle automatically. If you have to remember, you've already lost. Bottle 2, the survival bottle. This bottle handles your life, rent, food, transport, utilities, responsibilities, set limits. When this bottle is empty, you stop. This bottle keeps your financial life predictable. Bottle 3, the freedom bottle. This is where guilt-free spending lives. Eating out, fun, treats, gifts, whatever makes you happy. When this bottle empties, you stop, but you never feel deprived because you planned it. Financial drift is silent, invisible, and deadly. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't warn you. It doesn't feel dangerous. It simply erases your progress slowly, while you're busy living life. But the moment you give your money direction, your entire financial future changes. Direct your money deliberately, or it will drift away quietly. Like this video for more psychology-based money insights. And subscribe if you're ready to finally take control of your finances without feeling restricted.